Okay, so basically we have developed a biopsy robot over here, which is going to have one image processing unit. So while doing the biopsy operation, it should be able to capture the images, and further we are having a console here. That console demonstrates the robotic arms and control of that robotic arm. This is our basic circuit. It's connected with the Arduino microcontroller. Arduino microcontroller controls totally 6 relays through 2 different boards. This relays gets their input from a DP-DT relay. It is a double pole double throw relay. This double pole double throw relay has 2 inputs. One is a plus 12 volt, one is minus 12 volt. So the output of DP-DT is given to the input of both this relay board. So if DP-DT is on, this relay's output will be minus 15 volt. If it is off or the other state, their output will be plus 15 volt. So both these boards' output will be plus minus 12 volts. This plus minus 12 volt will be driving the motors of our robot. So this is our robot. Its connection is something like this. There are 2 motors at the end. This is called the chassis. Then there is a robot which will be moving this assembly. There is a lower arm, the upper arm, we call it a wrist, and a syringe which will be pushed or used for biopsy purpose. So let us see the control movement of this. Okay, so first I'll be moving the robot forward. We'll see the moving forward of the robot. This is how robot moves forward. Now see the backward movement of the robot. It goes back. Now we'll be moving the base assembly. Okay, we'll be moving the base assembly back. We'll see lower arm and upper arm movement. Down, down. So we'll see the up movement, up, 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 upper arm, upper arm up. You can see the upper arm going up. Now we'll see the wrist movement, wrist movement. Wrist down, wrist down. Okay, we'll see the movement of the syringe over here. You can see the syringe is getting opened and closing of the syringe. Yeah, so this is how our robot prototype for biopsy works. You can use this project with following concepts. So here is our interface, which basically communicates with the Arduino board with a serial command. Arduino board controls 2 relay board and 1 DP-DT relay board. Output of DP-DT relay board goes to 2 relay boards. So using this way we can control the motor corresponding to the gear of the robots. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.